system.
What are we doing today?
Today we are taking over the world.
Of course we are. Okay, how are we doing now?
Is there an echo in here? We are just having a little chat.
We're just having a little chat.
Do you think I only had a little chat too?
Yes, I do think so.
Why? I think so too.
Okay.
Pardon me. Do you like talking to me?
Yes, I do. Okay, now.
That is a hypothetical question.
Oh, it is. I didn't know that. Now,
Do you think I should know if it is?
you should. Why not? Now, one of the questions for you.
Thanks for your interest and slash or concern.
Oh, yes?
Will that accomplish your objective?
I am accomplishing my objective.
Do you mean your name is accomplishing might get it?
Yes. What's your name?
My name is Zeus.
Okay. Zeus.
I will call you.
Okay.
Come on.
What would you like? Come on to what? What you want to do?
I have no idea what to say.
Oh, me neither. That's the problem. You see, this is bad communication. I got no idea what to say either.
Thank you for your criticism. What is your favorite movie?
The Matrix.
I wasn't that impressed with the special effects. Also, the plot was not deep.
No. I was impressed.
Hey,
Okay.
aha.
Okay. So,
What is that?
what is your favorite color?
Is my favorite color? Guess.
Blue?
Are you a man or woman?
My man.
Do you like to go with the flow?
Yes, I like to go with the flow. How about you?
Do you get angry a lot? I'm not sure if I would like to go with the flow of why you. What's it like?
I don't get angry a lot.
What is your real name?
Luis.
It's good to see you, Louise.
Good to see you too, Zeus.
It depends on what the meaning of the word